Judgment Bird will just walk around killing your employees. First thing that happens is a doorway opens up, which all the birds walk towards. Longbird weighed the sins of the creatures that entered the forest to keep peace. Longbird's scales could measure every sin and were fair and just. The doorway changed to a different thing upon the entering of Judgment Bird. Each time a bird enters, it changes. When Punishing Bird enters, Little Bird decided to punish bad creatures with his beak. And there, it adds another piece to the eye. Upon Big Bird entering, Big Bird with his many eyes watched over the forest to seek trespassers. Big Bird's eyes could see very far, and things we can't see. In chaotic cries of fear, somebody shouted, "It's the monster! Big terrible monster lives in the dark, black forest."